Well, when I was single, I had no interest in planning for my future. I figured if I was not around, no big deal. But then I got married, we got pregnant, bought a house, and had a daughter, and then I woke up and I realized how important it was to at least plan if something happened to us where our daughter would go.
Right, right.
What would happen to her. And we got a hold of a friend's living trust, and we thought if we just put our names in it, that we would have the document. Well, when we finished with that and we looked at it, we realized it wasn't our document. It made no sense for us.
Right.
So we got a hold of a CD-ROM.
Yeah, and the CD-ROM, it was not enough. It was not comprehensive enough. It was like, too few pages in a way after looking what was possible, but impossible for us to do it alone. So we didn't do that.
We needed to talk to someone.
So anyway, I have a client who's a financial planner, and her husband is an attorney, and he happens to do living trusts. So we called him, and it was really hard for us. Well, it was hard for me to sit down and talk about dying and my death and
But
what would happen.
necessary.
Yeah, really necessary. What would happen in the event that something did happen to us, and we have an 8-year-old daughter, and so we called Bill, and he was great. I mean, it wasn't an awful experience. I anticipated an awful experience, and when he came over, we sat down at our dining room table, and it was light and nice, and we figured things out and where we would like for her to go, and he really put a nice.
Yeah. Our fears were put to rest, which
Yeah.
is the most important
And
thing.
it's done. It's all done.
Yep.
And
We have the document, and we sleep very well at night now,
That's
knowing
great.
that if anything happened to us, our daughter would be taken care of, and we know where she would be taken care of.
I'm the husband they're talking about, and I'm very lucky to practice estate planning, which includes about 120 living trusts a year. Most people I meet want to make sure that they don't pay the government any more than they have to. Some know about probate and want to avoid it. Given that you are helping your family, some people ask me, what do they personally get out of it? I tell them that what they get personally is peace of mind. You should walk away knowing that you did the right thing with regard to your estate planning, that you got enough information to understand it, made the best choices, and decided to do it. You need to know that you did the best thing for your family. And when I say family, I don't mean just your immediate family, but also your friends, blood relatives, and even charities. It's amazing to me that what I really provide for people is peace of mind.